By the end of this video, you're going to discover the secret to confidence in your retirement plan. Confidence so strong that you're willing to take action. Okay, let's get serious here now. Confidence is to take action is totally different from having a plan and a discussion around a topic like managing taxes, when to take Social Security. Taking action is different than just having knowledge, okay? And so I'm going to lay out a case here and show you one step to getting confidence in your retirement plan. First, I'm going to read 2 emails that I received, okay? And I receive about 10 of these a day. Not all in email. Some of them are in the comments, and people track me down somehow. But here you go. Number 1. As an engineer like you, I had Boldin Software for about a year. I took your advice and set up a plan review. We met today. They highlighted a potential problem with my assumptions, too conservative with the growth rates I had in my bucket 2 and bucket 3, that hid a tax problem at RMD time, costing me thousands if I did not take action early in retirement. I was using the conservative numbers to ensure I was safe and didn't run out of money, creating the hazard. Issue number 2 with this individual is they accidentally had their cost basis set at 0 inside of their brokerage account. Caused a lot of tax problems. Okay, the second email. Joe, I was surprised by the detailed feedback I got on my plan. It was a very valuable discussion worth 10x what I paid. They highlighted 7 issues in my retirement plan. Here's the summary. Things I did not fully understand. 3 things I didn't. One was the value of pushing out Social Security for their specific case. And this person was married and was for the spouse. The second item under the summary was poor assumptions on my part, things I just had wrong. 3. And a risk area that I did not think about was early death. So those were 7 issues with their plan. There's 3 things needed to retire. I call them, I say 3. Okay, this is all Joe. Confidence, courage, and discipline. Today, we're only going to talk about confidence. Confidence, not just I like my plan, but confidence to take action upon that, to actually retire, to actually sign up for Social Security, at age 67 when it's appropriate. Confidence to take that Roth conversion and pay the government, taxes before they come knocking on your door. Do it in a Roth conversion proactively. Many of you know that I did 300 plan reviews as a retirement coach. I stopped doing this. I got overwhelmed. You overwhelmed me. The comments, people just wanted to talk to me and run their plan by me. I said, sure. And I charged for that, and I was charging $300. I started off at $150 and worked up to $300, and people just kept coming at me. Out of those 300 plans, I stopped at 300. I wanted to stop on a nice round number, and it was getting so overwhelming for me. The summary is 2 of those 300 plans did not have significant opportunity, misunderstandings, or errors in them. 2. That's 99.3% of plans that I saw that people felt pretty good about, strong DIYers, confident, looked at their plan 100 times, spent a lot of hours looking at them. 2, okay? 0.7% didn't have an opportunity in them. Some of the common issues, taxes, no tax plan. It's very common. Sequence of return plan. People had all their assets 100% in stocks the day they retired. Poor inputs like rates of return and inflation. People tend to be very conservative, just like the first example I read above in the email. Rates of return, they make those low. And that, you start putting in bad data, you're going to get bad output out of it. Inflation, the same thing. People don't stress test a plan, find out where they can fail. Diversification, I talked to a lot of people that had significant amount of their portfolio in individual stocks, Bitcoin. I mean, I'm talking a lot, not 1%. I'm talking 40%. Asset location, didn't understand the value of having your assets divided up, some in a Roth, some in a traditional IRA or Roth, and some in a brokerage account, having things spread out so you can manage taxes, you can manage IRMA, which IRMA is your supplement premiums for Medicare. A lot of people didn't think through health insurance. They just put in $2,000 or $3,000 a month without getting quotes or any more serious work than that. 99.3% of the people had errors in their plan. Think about that number. If you believe you've got a great plan, you've looked at it 58 times, 50 times you've looked at it, you've got 100 hours. This is all my story too, okay? And many of you are using some averages. This, like, hey, use the 4% rule. The 4% rule is 4% rule of thumb. Nobody spends exactly 4% every year adjusted up for inflation. Nobody does that. You need to put a new roof on your house. A surprising dental expense comes in, a vacation comes up. It's all over the place. So using a comprehensive software package like Boldin is great because the 4% is just kind of a guideline, and it's worst case. Okay, it's worst case that you can retire 4% if you have 50-50 fixed and equities. That's what the exercise was done. And remember, that was looking in the past. A lot of people just used 80% of their expenses in retirement. They need 80% of their pre-retirement money in retirement. 80%. No, you got to do the detailed work. Okay, spend a little time on it. Lifespan is a big one. People get all jumbled up in how long their lifespan is going to be. Well, newsflash, this audience is not average. If you look at the average, American from birth, it's like a male is like 77. Well, that's from 0. If you're already 60, it's not 77 anymore. It jumps up to like 81, 82, 83, something like that. And that's the average person. Okay. Now, do you drink? Do you smoke? Do you exercise? Do you eat right? All those are going to increase that. So be careful making decisions around longevity. I'm concerned people actually have them too low. Plus, what is the medical industry going to do to extend longevity in the next 20, 25, 30 years? I think you should use a little bit higher number. So the only question to me that I will pose to you is, how are you going to discover these errors, misunderstandings inside your plan? Since high probability, based on my time as a retirement coach, high probability you have them. One thing, here's the one thing. So this is where you pay attention. One thing that I've seen hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times that drives confidence, and that's external validation. You got to get out of your own head. Okay. It's no matter how good you think you are, no matter how many times you've reviewed it, I'm telling you, confidence to act is going to come from an expert saying, yeah, I looked at your plan. Here's a couple things I would tweak. Looks great to me. And it's not going to come from your own head and your own analysis. It's not. Okay. That's my firm belief. My passionate plea to you is have a professional look at it. Now, I started down this path, like I said, and I was doing reviews. I was doing a couple of days, 7 days a week, and it was overwhelming me. I like to help out people, but I was drinking from a fire hose and I couldn't keep it up. So I actually went out and I talked to 11 different firms as of now to see if they would offer a plan only. And not a plan only, sorry, scratch that. They would do a plan for a nominal price, a review of your plan. a review of your plan, whether it's in Boldin, the PDF, whether it's in Excel, on a Word document, whatever you have. They would look at that for about 45 minutes, get some questions, sit down and meet with you, review that, give you some coaching, give you a summary of that, and charge you a nominal fee. I found a company that would do that, and I found a second company that would do that. The rest of them told me, no, it's really odd in this business to do a plan review. Okay, really odd, unusual, but I was persistent. Okay, and two companies blinked. But both those companies got overwhelmed when I introduced them. They got overwhelmed and had to take a pause. They weren't taking any new clients. You can see in the show notes, if you look at some older videos, that they weren't taking on any clients because they were overwhelmed with the number, and they just weren't prepared for that kind of response. Now, I am so excited. Defining Wealth is back. Okay, September 1, the link is open today. September 1, that's when the calendar starts. They are taking new clients. They've opened up some times. They're prepared for a big surge because I said my audience would provide it. So, and this is only available to my YouTube viewers. This is not generally advertised. This is my YouTube audience here. They will do financial plan reviews of your plan, whatever you have, for $300. And this is for first time, reviews only. So they're only doing this one time. My listeners only. You'll get one-on-one advice from our certified financial planner who will identify gaps and recommend adjustments for you to make. How it works, you'll click the link below. Okay, look for Defining Wealth. Click that link. You'll upload your documents to a secure portal. You'll meet with your, I think it takes you to a calendar. You'll meet with the CFP professional, and you'll get an executive summary, like I said earlier. This is all virtual, so it doesn't matter where you live. And if you're starting from scratch, you have nothing, you got a couple Post-it notes filled out. Hey, they offer a one-time only, again, for my audience, a complete one-time financial plan for $3,000. $3,000. They're going to put several hours into this, okay? There'll be a lot of phone calls, and they'll do a lot of work behind the scenes. And they'll give you a personalized roadmap covering your goals, your cash flow, your investments, and a path to financial independence. So that's, if you want them to create a plan for you, $3,000, one time only. Book the Explore call. I think that's what it says below, to create a, if you want to go the path of them creating a plan for $3,000. But if you've got a plan, you're a strong DIYer, I'm telling you, where do you want to discover that you have errors in your plan? External review works. And I gave you 2 testimonials above. You've got to get out of your own head and get confidence enough to take action. Make sense? Clarity and confidence, just a click away. Look for Defining Wealth in the show more. I think you hit more and you'll see Defining Wealth down there. It's Joe out.